YouTube friends, this is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents with my sister Patty. We are on our way to the Belleview big time trunk or treat. It's Saturday night, October 30th at 6:01 p.m. We're still in the Villages, Morris Boulevard, and headed out to Bellevue, all the way to Bellevue for the big trunk or treat bonanza. So catch a moment of the traveling there just for a little bit. I don't want to run out of time here, so let me do that right now. Swish over, and we just went over the Sumter Landing Bridge, heading out to 466. Oops. Ooh. And
went off the brake there, guys.
we have to go all the way to 441, right?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to catch. I love to capture the Morris South Gate. I know, and there's Bucky. I have this new system. I have my rag here, and then I have my sunglasses, so it keeps my sunglasses intact. It's quite an ingenious system I have.
They broke anyway.
I know. Long red light here.
It's a six-way, that's why.
They got the Acme orange and white upside down buckets all over the place. Okay, I want to film this lady here.
They're all going to church.
She's got all these stickers on the back of her car. I don't know why they put what.
I want your tongue.
I know somebody might have. One of my YouTube friends might have a lot of stickers on the back of their car.
No, watch your tongue. Look at the hole.
What did I just say with my tongue?
No, time.
Oh, time. I thought you said what?
Me.
I know. I got to check. I worked at this gate this is the first gate I worked at. Let's see what's going on here.
I worked at this gate for 3
Holy
hours.
cow, Batman!
I knew he was coming.
Oh, that was scary.
Oh.
Where's he from? North Carolina.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, this.
Uh-oh.
Okay, don't nonchalantly here. She won't even know. She won't even know. She's totally unconscious.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. Just keep going. Yeah, go 5 miles, and I don't know what you do. Get happy here. The gate's down. There you go. Okay. And Bucky. Okay. I don't want to waste a lot of time. Just went through the Morris South Gate. Had to take the Morris South Gate, and the chap or the person from North Carolina had to ask for directions and take up our time.
They wanted to know why there was a gate there, because it's a county road.
Did they really?
That's what she said. Yeah, because she says, I know it's a county road, sir, but it's controlled traffic.
I am so glad. I'm not a gate guard anymore. The loony kazoonies all over the place. Okay. Taking a break, and the next thing you'll know, we'll be at the big trunk or treat all the way in Bellevue, right?
Florida.
Not Summer. Bellevue, Florida.
Go around the lake.
Look at the big shot in his fancy golf cart here.
Somebody might have a fancy golf cart.
Ooh,
maybe it's Mama Bear.
Ooh, that's right. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love. Oh.
Or rock. Oh, look, it says Mama Bear on it.
It's Caroline. Sweet Caroline.
That says
Boom,
street rod.
boom,
I don't see
boom.
where it has a license plate.
Good times
All
never.
right, stop.
Okay. Enough's enough. Next scene. Trunk or treat 2021.
You better watch your time.
We are at the big event here, and we cannot find a parking space. No joke.
I don't want to get.
I know There's kitties all over the place here.
Oh my God.
Cannot find a parking space. This is like totally, they're parking in the spa. They're like, it's like, they're parking by this fella's house or these people's homes.
Road closed.
Look at this. This is like, there's like, I bet you there's like 1,000 people here.
Oh,
It's totally insane.
2,000.
Oh, it's totally nuts.
Oh my
The
God.
road is
Where
closed.
are we gonna find
I
them?
know, these guys are scary here.
Oh, stop.
Um,
Where are we gonna
oh
find
no,
them?
this is, you cannot imagine. Oh man, this is totally nuts. Okay, be careful, Patty. There's kitties all over the place here. Oh, she's totally unconscious, Patty.
I know,
The
I know.
The kid's just gonna run in front and she's totally unconscious. Oh, look at this, the kid's all over the place.
Oh, this is the line. This is a good parking place. I have no idea where they are. Where's the pavilion? Where would the
Look at, they're
pavilion be?
like all over the place. It's like
Where's the pavilion, Richard?
it's a beehive. It's a beehive of activity here.
Oh my gosh.
This is totally.
This is the class. They're probably way over there.
It's totally nutsy.
All right, let's go.
Okay, we'll be filming some more of this.
This is witches and everything else. Oh, he must.
So we are at the big event in Belleview, and it's like there has to be like maybe 2,000 people here. Maybe 3,000 people here. Oh man, this is the big event. This is like the big event of the year at Belleview here. Have the lake in the background. Yeah, I know. All right, we'll find them. We'll find them. Okay, folks, just take a little break and be back. This is really quite amazing. It's just as far as the eye can see. People as far as the eye can see.
Oh, there's 3,000 people.
There's a dinosaur there. Yeah, there has to be 3,000 people here. Easily. I know. There's the Bellevue Lake. Just check out how long this line is. They're waiting in line for a Baby Ruth. I didn't want to, a lot of people just walked right by me. I didn't want to film
There
them.
it is, over there. I see the bus.
To quote my all-time hero, it's a beehive of activity.
You're over by the see the bat church? Bus?
Yes, I see it. I cannot believe.
Got a photo.
Oh, I just cannot believe the people here.
It's wrapped around the lake.
It's wrapped around, the people are wrapped around the lake. They're in line. There's the cute little train for the kiddies. Oh, okay. Be right back, folks. So I had to go back to my car because I forgot my chair. This is just absolutely wild. This is absolutely crazy. And we got Superman here. Filming away. This is just one big continuous line here. Halloween Eve in Belleview. Got the line here, just continuously. There's the oak tree that I just absolutely love. I love that oak tree there. Some folks are walking by. I don't want to. There's the dinosaur. Just there's the dinosaur. Got the dinosaur there. There's another great oak tree that I love. We got some great, fantastic live oaks here. So I had to go back to get my chair. But there's the infamous train. This Grace Baptist Church gospel train. Got a little bridge here. Just abounding with people. There has to be, and there's a horse there. Has to be about 3,000 people here. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. And they got the backstage grill there. Backstage grill. Get some snacks at the backstage grill. Okay, I'm gonna take a break and be right back. Checking out all the food and snack venues. We've got Kona Ice. Coming over here, we've got Poppies. Mexican and American favorites here. And we've got like thousands of people here. Over here, I don't want to film anybody, get anybody specifically. And let's see what's going on over here. Got the little disco here. I better get out of here. Copyright music may be playing. So they got the bubbles going. And the lines are still outrageous. So quite the scene here. A big lineup for Poppies. And coming or going here, I just don't want to. Hey, Jeremy! Jeremy! Be right back, folks. Oh, YouTube friends, things are wrapping up for the big Halloween trunk or treat event here in Bellevue. So, YouTube friends, that's going to wrap it up for this episode of Richard Mabey Presents.
We're tired.
Yeah, we are exhausted. There had to be...
Oh, there had to be at least 3,000 kids.
3,000 children. And then if you counted the parents, probably 5,000 people.
Standing in a line.
Standing in a line.
2 hours.
Like that old Stevie Nicks song, standing in a line,
right,
standing in a line. We're tired. So I thank my sister Patty for driving. Appreciate it very much. I am so tired. Must have given out 4,000 candy bars. 3,000
We were handing
candy.
them out fast. They just kept coming.
Okay, 3,000
I
candy
never
bars.
so many kids come. I've never seen so many kids.
Had to be 3,000.
Oh my gosh! You couldn't even enjoy their little costumes. There was just so many kids.
And these big buckets. There are 4 big buckets of candy bars.
All right, let's
Wrap it up.
The light off.
So stay healthy, stay happy, and happy Halloween. This is Richard Mabey, signing